This research will investigate the perception and reality of the impact of the gender of single parents in children's education achievement. Next is a brief overview of this presentation. The topic is that how much do students know of single parents and their role in education? And this will be investigated by examining their perceptions and reality. So the perception was investigated through the interview conducted with 3 HKUST students, and the reality was understood by looking at the research paper's results, the characteristics of single fathers and single mothers, the reasons for the high number of single parents, and the differences identified between single fathers and single mothers, and the test performance of the children of the single parents. And as a conclusion, it could be stated that students have high understanding of single parents and their role in education. These are the 3 students that I conducted the interview with, and the student A from China has said that for the test results, she predicted that
depending on parents' personality, if some mothers care children's education while some mothers do not.
I think child under single dad will perform better in
I think single dad's side will perform worse.
So, and as a result, these were the results. So I asked the same questions, first about the image and the reasons for the high rates of single parents in Hong Kong and the differences they thought of single moms and single dads, and the test performance expectations of the children of single parents. And these are the results. And for the image part, some students said that it was strange to think about it in the first place because it is so different to see. It is strange to see single parents in their country, and however, some of them thought that the image of single parents were independent and strong to raise a child by themselves, and they attributed the reasons for high rates of single parents in Hong Kong because of lack of communication, career aspiration, personality difference leading to divorce. And the differences that they identified between single dads and single moms were the level of emotional support given to the children, and the care towards academic achievement, and the time spent with children differed between the single fathers and single mothers, and the test expectations really differed a lot too. So one student said that it depended on the personality of the parent rather than their gender, and one student said that single moms' children do better because single moms are more caring and supportive, and another student said that single dads' children do better because single dads have higher expectations of their children. And according to the research paper, it really differed between the perception of these students differed with the research paper because in the interview it said that they were independent and strong, but for the characteristics part, it said that single parents are less educated and have lower income levels and live in poorer housing conditions, which was different from the focus and the characteristics identified from the image of the students interviewed with. And the reasons were similar because the students said that the reasons for high rates were due to divorces, and for the difference part, it was similar reasonings because the fathers were left involved in parenting and school activities when mothers were more involved in those activities, and fathers were focused on providing financial support and mothers emotional support. Most importantly for the test results, children of single fathers performed worse. And this was sampled from 9,507 students from 299 schools, and it said, and overall, the perception of students on the impact of gender on the educational performance of children really differed. But overall, the images and the reasonings were similar to the research paper, which shows that students have high understanding of the single parents and the impact in education achievement in children.